In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the new Snapchat update. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you want to get the new Snapchat update, which overall is a pretty cool update, what you're going to want to do is first, if you do have Snapchat open, actually go ahead and close out of it and go to your device's app store. In my case, I'm on an iPhone, so I'm going to go to the normal app store. But if you're on an Android, go to Google Play, and down in the bottom right, go ahead and hit search and type in Snapchat just like so. Hit enter, and you're going to want to go to this Snapchat page right here. And if you do have an update, in this section where it says open for me, it's going to say update just like so. So go ahead and select update and then open it up, and it's going to look something like this. And you will now have that new Snapchat update. Now, if that doesn't work for you, what you're going to want to do is actually select your profile icon up in the top right and then go into your settings and then select my account up at the very top. And from here, you'll have an option to join the Snapchat beta. Go ahead and select that and continue through this process to sign up for the Snapchat beta program, where you will get access to the Snapchat updates way earlier in advance. But that is going to wrap it up for this video. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.